What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick tutorial, you are gonna see how to make your Instagram account private. So let's head over to our Instagram. Once you're there, head over to your profile at the bottom and then head over to the three lines on the top or the menu. And here, scroll down and go to account privacy. And here, turn it on as we want to make your account private. So it says when your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages, and your followers and following lists. Certain info on your profile, such as your profile picture and username, is visible to your everyone on and off Instagram. So yeah, this is how you can just turn on your account privacy or make your account private on Instagram. Hope this video helped and we'll see you in the next